Episode 17. To do the baseball bat dance, we need to learn 4 steps: footwork, bounce, body rock, and hand steps. Let's start with your footwork. Bend both knees. Now twist both of your feet like this, boom, and come back, boom, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn to do the bounce. First you bounce up, boom, and come back, boom, and just repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's mix your footwork and bounce step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's learn the third step, which is the body rock. To do that, you just have to rock side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's mix footwork, bounce, and body rock together. Stand in a starting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn the final step, which is hand steps. Interlock your fingers and place them down in this position. Lift them up to the right side, bring it back and lift them to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, it's time to do all 4 steps together. Stand in a starting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add some variation. Let's swing your hands like a baseball bat from the right side and from the left. So the right swing first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the left swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do these steps with feet and body movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, let's do the steps with the music. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more beginner hip hop moves, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.